Okay, recommendation number 10 is also a department proposed recommendation. It is not in any of the other ordinances. It would be remove the provision in the administrative code that allows cross-examination of witnesses during the hearing, administrative hearing.
Shall I call the question?
Can I ask a question about that, actually?
Commissioner Moore?
Perhaps somebody could explain of what's really implied, because we are I would call myself unfamiliar with this technique.
So we already have administrative hearings. I hold hearings on enforcement matters. We don't have any requirement that allows a cross-examination. It's a artifact from when it was a DBI enforcement procedure. So I mean, these hearings are generally somewhat informal. We, have the parties come together. People have time to speak and present their case, and there's time for public comment as well. Just think requiring or obligating a cross-examination seems unnecessary, and there's no legal requirement for it.
Commissioner Johnson?
That was my question. I didn't. Who would be cross-examining whom?
That's an excellent question, but I think it
very nice question too.
Would be basically the party. So if there was someone, it's not entirely clear, but in the code as it is, but I think it would basically be the party. So if there was the person who's found to be in violation, and if there was an interested party, otherwise that they would have the ability to, it appears, to bring attorneys and.
Okay, thank you.
Frankly, it just seems to create a contentious hearing situation where it's not warranted. So we just don't see the reason for that.
Shall I call the question?
Yes, please.
So on recommendation number 10, removing the cross-examination provision in administrative hearings, Commissioner Antonini.
Aye.
Commissioner Hillis.
Aye.
Commissioner Johnson.
Aye.
Commissioner Moore.
Yes.
Commissioner Richards.
Aye.
Commissioner Wu.
Aye.
And Commission President Fong.
Aye.
So moved, Commissioners. That recommendation will move forward unanimously.